Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can embed a video onto your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, you can do this in a couple of different ways. However, there is two ways which are very simple. Now, to actually embed a video, I'm just going to go over and switch to a different page. I'm going to switch to my YouTube page right over here, and this is just an empty page with some test text. However, what we're going to do is we're going to click on edit in the top left. This will open up the editor, and we can add a new section if we want to, which I will be doing. I'll just add a blank section. And now we have a blank section which we can work with. Now, to actually embed a video, you're going to click on add a block, and you have two different ways. You can click on embed and you can create an embed block, or we can click on video and we have an automatic video block right over here. Now, if I click to edit this video block, you need to add a video from your PC or from your device. You're going to need to upload it, and it needs to be 30 minutes max. And you also have limited video storage. As you can see, you can add a custom featured image as well as other settings once you upload the video. I currently don't have any videos on hand, so I'm not going to embed anything, but you can also go into embed block, and if we click to edit this, we can do a couple of different things. We can embed code snippets, which are HTML code, which you can embed that way if you want to, or you can click on link, and then you can choose a link from YouTube which you can embed. And once you add that link over here, I'll just add https://google or www.google.com. It's just gonna locate the video. Pretend this is a YouTube link, pretty much, since I couldn't find any that I wanted to. And as you can see, now that we have that, we have the embedded site over here, and now that is pretty much it. You can add an image if you want, but that is pretty much it. As you can see, I cannot embed the Google link. However, if you had a YouTube link, you could very easily embed it. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.